Hello, hi. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make a swan. This is a 260 size long balloon. In white, inflate it. Okay. After inflating, about 23 centimeters here. And here, leave about 5 centimeters. Leave 5 centimeters here. Then, here, we need 23 centimeters. Okay, this length is 23 centimeters. Then twist it here. After that, here at the back, we'll bring it together. Remember to tighten it. You need to tuck it inside and pull it out. Okay. Here, we stretch it a little. Find the middle point. Then fold it. After folding, now take the other end and tuck it into the other side. Okay. After that, open it up a little. Then stuff this neck inside. It will be slightly slanted like this. So at this point, we need to bend it. Then gently do a little bit of squeezing. Okay. Gently bend it a little. After that, you can prepare a 260 orange long balloon. This is the tail of the orange long balloon. Now, let's slide it in here. Slide it in. You can gently squeeze it or twist it so that the air isn't so full. We'll slot it in. Slot it in slowly. Okay, this is the beak. Now, prepare marker pen. Draw the eyes. That's it, all done.